Hello friends and potential friends. Well, what's today? May 25th, I believe. I think it's a Saturday. And I've just got a few more things to get done before I'm ready to hit the road. To be honest, I'm primarily procrastinating because I'm waiting for the high temperatures in Idaho to get up to the low temperatures I've been having here in Florida. And it looks like that's going to happen in the next week or so. But I still have a few things left to get done around here. One of them is plant some sweet potato slips. I've got a bunch of slips here. I pulled them off of the seed potatoes a couple weeks ago, and now it's time to get them in the ground. I figure if I plant them now, they should be ready to dig sometime in November, which I intend to be back here by then. So let me get you onto the other camera and we'll get these things in the dirt. Well, we'll start off by putting some of these in this round bed. I grew sweet potatoes in here last year, and as you can see, I didn't dig them all. I got at least one volunteer coming up there. Let's see what we can do with these slips. They did develop some good roots on them. I guess it does pay sometimes to put the slips in water for a while. Let's see if we can get them separated and get them in the ground. Some of these things are really growing good. See, how can I arrange these? That should be enough to start with. Yeah, we can make a hole. I'll stick the slips in. Just as simple as that. But I didn't use up all the slips, so let's go find someplace else we can put them. Well, this bed is empty with the exception of one row right here of what I hope turns into elephant garlic. When I dug up the elephant garlic, it had little bulbs on it here and there. So I pulled them off and stuck them in the ground here. And let's hope they turn into garlic plants. Meanwhile, I'll fill the rest of this bed up with sweet potatoes. And I hope this isn't a mistake. This is the bed where I grew the sweet potatoes from seed a couple of years ago. And they reseeded themselves last year. And then while I was gone, they tried to take over the whole garden. So I'm hoping that they don't pop up again this year. I've pulled a couple that have come up, but haven't been seeing that many, so maybe I'll get lucky. But we'll find that out when I get back from up north. There's the second jar. These ones are not as well developed, but hopefully they will take root and produce some tubers for me. Oh yeah, there was one more over here. Well, that filled up the bed pretty good. Now all I need to do is drag the hose over here, water everything in good, and then just wait, and hopefully I'll have sweet potatoes for Thanksgiving again this year. So that's gonna be about it for this task, and I'll see you next time.